Hi, my name is Elias. I work for Titoma as a mechanical engineer, and today we're just going to discuss the differences between two printers we used to use here, a Prusa MK3 Plus. Sonic 4K. They both have differences, pros and cons, and we'll just try to explain you how to take advantage of the pros of each printer. This machine is the Sonic Mighty 4K by a company called Frozen. It's a Taiwanese company. Quite new. This machine is quite cheap because it's about 600 USD. The only inconvenience is that we have to we also need this kind of UV curer machine to cure the parts created by the Mighty. Basically how it works, we have a liquid that is going to be hardened by an LCD screen. This kind of machine is really accurate, like 0.01 millimeters accurate. We have the choice between different colors, different materials. Sometimes some materials are super hard and some are quite soft, close to hard rubber. The Mighty machine is an amazing machine. When we have to create gears, when it has to be really accurate and also really strong. With this machine we can create parts like this one in half an hour. With the Prusa the technology is a bit different. Of course the Prusa is really accurate, but we cannot reach the same accuracy as with the Mighty. With this one we mostly print some housing, big housing that can be really strong, like for example this funnel that is printed in PETG, which is a quite strong material. This one is a bit slower than the Mighty because the principle of this one is to melt the filament that is going to harden on the building plate. For a part like that, it can take around 15 hours to get printed. Here's the kind of material we use with this printer. It's like that, rolls of filament. For example, this one is a flexible filament like a rubber, and we have stronger and stronger filament like this PETG. As you can see, we have many colors. So far the supplier we found the best in Taiwan is Spidermaker, that we highly recommend. The quality is really stable and really good. Regarding the Mighty, here are the different materials we have. Actually it's liquid because it's going to get cured by the machine. We have this kind of ABS-like materials, or this kind of water washables materials. We just need the water to clean them. We also have different colors: blue, green, black, white, creamy, etc. So this Prusa MK3S, which is really accurate and reliable, we highly recommend you to use this printer if you want to create housings or parts that don't need a super high accuracy. If you need accuracy that can be around 0.3 millimeters, it's perfect for you. It's not that expensive and it's super reliable. If you want to have a machine that can print really accurate and strong parts, even if sometimes it can take some time, then we highly recommend you to take this machine because it's super cheap, it's really reliable, and it's incredible what we're able to do with this one. Here on average the time doesn't depend on the size of the parts, but mostly on its height. For a part like that it's around 45 minutes, while for a part like that it's close to 2 hours. Here we have two examples. They are the perfect examples to show you how we can combine both technologies. Those one, they have been created for a particular prototype. We created these timing belts with the Prusa. As you can see, it's a super soft material. It's quite accurate, actually, accurate enough for what we wanted to do. And here we printed a timing pulley with the Mighty printer. As you can see, we can combine both. The Prusa is not able to print this kind of parts, and the Mighty is not able to print this kind of soft parts. Here we printed a gearbox for an internal project. This gearbox has been printed also by both printers. We can see here some gears in 6 stages. They all have been printed with the Mighty. They are absolutely strong. And all the housing has been printed in different colors in PETG, which is also a really strong material.